viewers, welcome back to OdinSchool's YouTube channel. In this series, we will help you with the tips on how to crack tech roles in top companies. Today, we are unpacking a role that's making waves in AI space, the AI/ML engineer position at Kreeda Labs, where code meets creativity and ideas come alive as scalable solutions. Now, let's know what the company is about. Kreeda Labs is a technology-driven innovation company that specializes in building end-to-end AI/ML-powered software solutions for real-world business challenges. With a strong focus on custom product development, they work at the intersection of machine learning, modern tech stacks, and user-centric designs to deliver intelligent, scalable systems. Whether you're a fresher or an early career professional, Kreeda offers a space where your learning curve points straight up. Let's have a glance at the role. Kreeda Labs is hiring for the role of AI/ML engineer based out in Pune with a CTC up to 6 lakhs per annum. This opportunity is ideal for freshers and early career professionals who are looking to launch their careers in artificial intelligence. If you are eager to work on real-world projects and grow in a fast-paced, innovation-driven environment, this role offers the perfect foundation. It's your shot at going from classroom concepts to live production in a high-performance environment. So, at Kreeda Labs, your work will involve architecting, training, and deploying ML models, also solving real-world problems with smart AI designs, secondarily, finding patterns in chaos from raw data to redefined insights. Your work also involves collaborating with cross-functional teams to ship intelligent products and optimizing models for speed, performance, and scalability. So, Kreeda Labs are looking for sharp-driven minds, individuals with strong technical skills and clear solution-oriented thinking. Here's where you need to stand out. You should have proficiency in Python and clean modular coding, sound knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Also, have a hands-on experience with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Familiarity with prompt engineering and working with LLMs will be a plus. A problem solver who can also communicate with clarity and confidence is a must. So this isn't a sandbox role, this is the real field. At Kreeda Labs, you get early exposure to impactful live AI projects and also a team that's collaborative, fast-paced and relentlessly curious. A direct path to pre-placement offers, mentorship and rapid upskilling. The chance to build things. And let's not forget a solid 6 lakhs per annum package to back it all up. Now here's how to gear up for this role and make your application impossible to ignore. Tip number 1 would be own the entire AI knowledge. From problem scooping to model deployment, learn the full cycle, not just bits and pieces. For example, choose a real-world problem, define the business goal, collect and clean public data, build and evaluate a model. For deployment, use fast APIs. Containerize it with Docker and host it on Render or Heroku. My tip number 2 would be diversify your machine learning toolkit. Go beyond basics. Include NLP, computer vision and LLMs in your portfolio. The more real-world your experience, the better. You can do this by building one project in each domain. For example, let's take NLP. In NLP, do a resume keyword extractor or sentiment analyzer. And coming to computer vision, you can perform image classifier using TensorFlow or PyTorch. And coming to LLMs, a chatbot that summarizes documents using LangChain plus OpenAI API. Coming to tip number 3, think product, not just code. Speak the language of impact, business goals, user value and iteration speed. This is what sets builders apart from coders. Let's get an example of this. So pick a Kaggle competition or a client problem and define product metrics, document assumptions, constraints and expected outcomes. Share insights in a presentation format like a stakeholder deck or Loom walkthrough. The outcome should be a project case study that shows your thought process, not just your model performance. And here's the last but the most important tip: get fluent in generative AI workflows. Understanding generative AI is more than prompting. It's about building usable, intelligent systems using LLMs and multimodal models. Go beyond basic, open AI prompts. Build a mini generative AI powered app, such as a chatbot that answers company FAQs using retrieval augmented generation, and also a content rewriter or resume enhancer using LLMs with LangChain. So, if you are ready to turn your curiosity into creation and your skills into solution, then this role at Kreeda Labs might be your breakthrough moment. And as always, like, share and subscribe, because your next opportunity is just one scroll away. Thank you.